Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. Today in this video we will talk about some important points regarding CSC Type B applications. The reason is many applicants face challenges during the application process. So we will discuss and explain it briefly. First, let's understand under which policy CSC provides scholarship. That means CSC will provide your tuition fee, living expense, health insurance, and accommodation. And you will study at a university up to 3 to 5 years based on your program duration. Let's see how policy implies throughout your application process. Suppose you have applied under CSC Type B and submitted your application properly, then completed any required interviews. After this stage, university may issue a pre-admission letter. Then, university prepare a list of all selected candidates based on the interviews and send it to the CSC. CSC also re-evaluate the applicant's details, then awards a scholarship to the listed candidates based on the university's quota. Once the CSC approves the application list for each university, university inform selected candidate and issue the JW form and the official admission notice. Maybe you have uploaded the pre-admission letter in the CSC portal and now you are waiting for the final result. During this time, it's very normal to have some questions. To clear them, you should email your university. They are the only authority that can update you on your current status. Sometimes, even after emailing to the international office, you might not get any reply. The reason is officers are also busy and they are also waiting for the final approval from CSC. But if you have any urgent, you can call them directly to inquiry about your application status. But in normal, university announce the final result in June or July. So that's all about today's video. Till then, stay with us, and if you have any queries, you can leave a comment. See you next.